Click on the link below to get price. The V-Color DDR5 256GB, 64GB 6000MHz CL32 Overclocking R-DIMM is an impressive memory solution aimed at high-performance computing environments. With its massive capacity and high speed, this memory kit is particularly suited for tasks such as data analysis, 3D rendering, and other memory-intensive applications. One of the standout features of this memory kit is its generous 256GB total capacity. Configured as 64GB modules across 4 DIMM slots, it easily meets the demands of modern workloads, allowing multiple applications to run simultaneously without any hiccups. This is particularly beneficial for professionals working with large datasets, virtual machines, or high-end gaming setups. The performance of the V-Color DDR5 is compelling, thanks to its 6000 MHz speed and low CAS latency of 32. The overclocking capability enhances the performance even further, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts looking to push their systems to the limit. Users can expect improved responsiveness and faster data transfer rates, which translates to better overall system performance. In terms of stability, the ECC, error correcting code, feature provides an additional layer of reliability, ensuring data integrity by detecting and correcting errors in real time. This is critical in environments where data accuracy is paramount, such as servers or workstations running mission-critical applications. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the standard DIMM form factor that fits into most compatible motherboards. The modules are built with quality components, emphasizing durability and reliability. The design is sleek and functional, making it a visually appealing addition to any build. However, it's worth noting that while this memory kit offers incredible performance, it may be overkill for average users who do not require such extensive capacity or speed. For those on a budget or with lighter workloads, lower capacity options are available that still deliver solid performance. Overall, the V-Color DDR5 256GB kit is a top-tier choice for power users and professionals who demand the best in memory performance. Its combination of high